there was a lot of there were a lot of changes in the schedule of our exams. The exams were first going to be held around 17th of March. It got postponed. It got postponed again, and the number of papers are reduced. Despite of that, despite of my exams postponing 2 times, and despite of me promising myself that I would utilize the extra time in better studying, I'm here. Well, my exam is on 3 days and I have to cram a shit ton of stuff. So I thought it's going to be chaotic like always. So I thought, why not take you, yes, you, with me in this 10-day journey of cramming, most definitely crying, and a lot of studying. So let's go. We are looking a little bit crusty, so wait a moment. My exams are at a very wrong timing because it is 21st March today and it is BTS has come back on Netflix and I so want to watch it and I am going to watch it because priorities starts at 4:30 p.m. and currently it is 3:12. So I think I will study for 1.5 hours and then it's BTS time. I watched it. I watched it. It was so good. It was so good. So good. I really wished I was there in real life to witness that. I will. I will. Someday I will. I will. I will. I will. All of this live, it felt like homecoming. I have said this 100 times now. It felt like homecoming. It felt like coming back to myself. Only an army will understand what I am saying. We are so back. I am so back. I am so back. I am so back to my fangirl roots. But now I need to get back to studying because I still have an exam to give that is not going anywhere. So let's study now.
2 hours later.
अभी करंटली 11:36 हो गया है और हम डिम्पल के बर्थडे का डिम्पल के बर्थडे का डेकोरेशन कर रहे हैं. सेलिब्रेशन. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Let us go to take Dimple now. Happy birthday to you. आंखें बंद. उसको गाइड तो करो.
The following day.
This is Dimple's gift. डिम्पल इज गेटिंग रेडी. डिम्पल के हाथ में दिया जाए उसका गिफ्ट. ओके, यू कैन ओपन योर आईज.
इसको दिखाया था.
We have the birthday girl looking absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, she's looking like a Barbie, a literal Barbie.
बेसिकली कसे पझलचे पीसेस असतात, एकामेकामध्ये फिट होतात, एकाचं कर्व एकाकडे नसतो. I really hope she achieves every single thing. And I just love it. Thank you. Doggish bye. Doggish bye.
The following day.
वड़ा पाव.
Many hours later.
एंकरिंग का ऑडिशन है फॉर कॉन्वोकेशन एंड आई एम टेकिंग पार्ट इन इट एंड आई एम वेरी नर्वस. तो पहले अभी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे जो टेक्स्ट है वो, और ये सारे मेरे कॉम्पिटिटर्स हैं. ये नहीं, ये मराठी में है ये सारे. सिलेक्टेड सिलेक्टेड हैप्पी. वड़ा पाव. Listen to me, I have something to tell you. I have ordered my favorite pepperoni garlic bread from Donny Moj, and I could have ordered it tomorrow, like when my exams would have gotten over. But I've ordered it today because tomorrow I would be tired to make anything, right? I would be very tired and I would not want to do anything and I would want to sleep. So instead of celebrating tomorrow, I am celebrating today that my exams are going to get over tomorrow. I hope you are convinced because I am not. The fact that I already have so much acidity from the food that I have had all day, eating this should be my last wish. But guess what? It's not my last wish. It is actually my first wish to eat this with the garlic bread, and that too pepperoni one. So I will be making this while watching Splitsvilla because priorities. It's Friday.
Everyone is like कि भाई अब क्या होने वाला है. So guys, the power chart has been refreshed and
आज मुझे पता है बहुत खुश है बाजी क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पर पहली बार यहाँ पे हूँ. चलिए
तो वो लक नहीं होगा, वो शो का पार्ट होगा.
exactly. Thank you, sir.
उनको मौका मिला, वो यहाँ पर आए, वो गेम प्ले है, वो गेम का पार्ट है यार.
Yes.
वो मेहनत से बैठे हैं वहाँ पर.
It's not luck,
अब चैलेंज ये है, मुझे अच्छी बात क्या लगी, तूने बोला कि मैं यहाँ आऊंगा, तुम्हें भी हराऊंगा, तुम्हें भी हराऊंगा. वो अच्छा है ना यार, वो खेलना.
पर बाजी होना भी तो
लास्ट पेपर बस हो जाए ये. आई जस्ट सो वॉन्ट टू गेट इट ओवर विथ.
आल्यावर अभ्यास नाही करायचा.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात ये है कि पेपर ख़त्म हो रहे हैं. पेपर गए कैसे इट डजेंट मैटर. मतलब अच्छे ही गए मोस्टली, लेकिन आज का आई डोंट नो क्योंकि कल आई चोज माई हैप्पीनेस ओवर स्टडिंग.
स्नॅपचॅट से
तो
दिख रहा था हमें.
तो we don't really know what is going to happen, but do we care what really happens? No, we don't. Bye bye. See you after the last paper.
Much later.
दहा मार्काचे त्याच्यामध्येच हे एपिडिओमॉलॉजी त्याच्यामध्येच बायोस्टॅटिस्टिक्स.
हा भक्ती यस. This feels so surreal. My baby has babies now. It makes me so emotional because she was a little baby when she was brought to me, and look at her now. How can I not be emotional? She grew so much. But never mind, we still have a practical exam to give tomorrow, for which I have studied, but there are miles to go now. Yeah, let's study now. I just cannot stop crying. I'm so happy. It's just so overwhelming to see my baby give birth. It was very emotionally taxing for me. I cannot stop crying. I didn't cry yesterday, just ज़्यादा, but look at her. I'm so proud of my baby. She's so not ready for motherhood. Just got done with the Viva, and what I have nothing to say about the Viva. Why am I not focusing? I have nothing to say about the Viva. He wasn't happy with anything, but it's okay. But the thing that bugged me the most is when he asked me all of that, and I gave him all the answers that I knew because I had studied kal ratri. So he was like, the student prior to you जिसका मैंने वाइवा लिया था, she must have told you all the questions, and that is why you are able to answer it. So I will ask you something very different. Based it all over my friend telling me the questions and me just finding about it, which was sad because I had studied those questions. So it's okay. Dusky has taken a break from her Duskules, but she is still keeping her eye on them. Dusku? Dusky has gone out for her stroll So I am keeping Jashu warm. Can you see it? Ah. आज फाइनली एवरीथिंग इज कमिंग टू अ हॉल्ट फॉर सम टाइम. और आज वेदर भी अच्छा है जैसा हमको पसंद है. अगर आज बारिश होगी तो आज मैं भीगूंगी. We were given a break time from 12:30 to 2. It is right now it is 1:53. So I have to go back to the practical. I hope they take me first because I just want to get it over with at this point. It's going to be over for a few days, but I really need a break from all this. And done.